Muthenya wa murugano wa Sabasaba ntuonire supermarket nyingi muno ashikeyo muno in Mount Kenya region. In somewhat uhoro uria wakorirwo kirikana ni it was planned. Ni andu mabangirwo makorwo magika shughuli iyo. Kulikuwa na a lot of confessions cia andu kuria Murang'a, kuria Makutano, Roysambu, Kawa West, makiuga ati andu acio mokaga kuvamira Injuja, andu acio mokaga kuvamira. They are not residents of those places. Koguo ni andu matumitwo nigetha makorwo magika uguo. And because of that ni gukoretwo na ciuria nyingi muno kana calls nyingi muno cia andu acio makorwo magicokia indo icio, because clearly that is wrong. Nikaundu koru. Now, one case in Murang'a, hena supermarket retwo county supermarket. I found this very interesting. Ni arakorirwo akikira poster andu macokie indo within 14 days. She didn't give the consequences that msporudisha indo ita happen, but alisema tu mushokie indo ciakwa within 14 days. Kana oke orihe ni gukora till hau murango-ini wa supermarket. Surprisingly, hena andu majetie gucokia indo pale hivyo. Kwa mlango ulikuwa unaenda unakuta trolley kona vitu pale hivyo, hena matishu, kuna vitu tu pale hivyo. Na ndariki ukorwo ngiona video reu ya indo mundu acoketie indo, vitu zimebebwa hadi na pickup. Niko like yo.
A minute. Yes, wendaga kumenya atiriri indo ici ni cioneka ngari-ini ni iria igito
acoke ngetha rori yume
kurerekana ni iria igito riu mwasi ni andu mare kurehera getha wikire pickup ine kana ni
andu marete ni maraiga barabara
maraiga barabara
inde maraiga borithi
ici mwangania barabara imwe iria ingi borithi. Okay, thank you. Mwiroreri wakwa, icio ni indo iria igito supermarket ino ya kaunti Kagio, icio wona pickup ine nicio ciareho kabathari kindu kia mundu gitiuragira na ndukanarie thithina yene na ndagika ino rona uguo. Kwina indo nyingi muno icokete, mundu ucio tukwaragia na kiaranjira imwe iborithi na icio marongania barabara. We ona akorwo ni uramenya ni woete kindu kiene, tafadhali cokia na indo ciene itire ndokeirwo no uria thithina yaku na wirute kuriaga thithina yaku guku ndikagio county supermarket. Either ureiyete Kagio kana ureiyete Murang'a kana ureiyete kurudisha mali yawe.
At this point, it is very hard to understand Kenyans. It is becoming very hard to understand Kenyans at this time. No bado ngeyuria atondo indo imwe ndona hau cigicokio nginya trolley ile yako, ile trolley inakuanga na miguu. Unashanga mundu akua trolley yake. Coming back to this maandamanos, do you mean andu acio maiyaga supermarket ine ni andu a area icio? That is one question iria turona aja, because ona indo ici ciracokia kuu Murang'a, it is not the people of that area aria maracokia, zinarudishwa huko kwa barabara according to vile huyo mzai amesema. Ciracokio ciratigwo kuu barabara-ini na police station. Kogo, it is not the people of that area aria maiyete indo icio. Another video that I found interesting about uhoro uyu wa Sabasaba na uria supermarket ciairwo. There is another supermarket in Makutano na iria iracinirwo. We only had the video ya ihite ikihia few, but now there is a video that has emerged ya mwaki ucio ukianjia, na ni haronekana hau hena thigari aria mangihota kuhoria mwaki ucio at that level iria iri tha icio, but they let it spread. So begging the question again, andu aya Maiyire supermarket, were they real protesters ama they were goons being aided by the police, ama what really happened during Sabasaba? In fact, andu aria monagwo makiia supermarket. Mbona hakuna hata mmoja alishutiwa basi? Twirwo uyu ararathirwo anyitite kikapeti yo kana anyitite TV. You know. Tunapata tu wenye wameshutiwa tu ni andu aria. Anyway guys, ni ndio maoni mako megi uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this whole drama of the Sabasaba protest and the supermarkets being vandalized. Comment down there and tell us what you think.
A minute. Yes, wendaga kumenya atiriri. Indo ici ni cioneka ngari-ini. Ni iria igito.
Acoke. Ngetha rori yo yume. Rori yo yume.
Kurerekana ni iria igito. Riu mwasi ni andu mare kurehera getha wikire pick up ine kana ni atia.
Andu marete. Ni maraiga barabara.
Maraiga barabara.
Maraiga barabara ingi maraiga borithi. Oh, isi mwangania barabara. Imwe. Iringi borithi. Okay, thank you.
Hivyo nimeguza
mwiroreri wakwa. Icio ni indo iria yitwa supermarket ino ya kaunti Kagio. Icio wona pick up ine nicio ciareho. Tafadhali kindu kia mundu gitiuragira na ndukanarie thithina yene na ndagike no rona uguo. Kwina indo nyingi muno icokete mundu ucio tukwaragia na kiaranjira imwe iborithi na icio marongania barabara. We ona akorwo nuramenya no woete kindu kiene. Tafadhali sokia na indo ciene itire ndokeiro no ria thithina yaku na wirute kuriaga thithina yaku. Weke guko Kagio county supermarket. Aitha ureiyete Kagio kana ureiyete Murang'a kana ureiyete ku rudisha mali yawe.